Chapter 13 Fuels for Vehicles. What fuels are? A fuel is a substance that burns in air to produce heat and energy. The process by which a fuel is converted into energy is called combustion. It plays a key role in operating vehicles as they need it to move. Interestingly, all vehicles do not need the same fuel. Fuels can be divided into two groups. These are fossil fuels and alternate fuels. Fossil fuels. The fuels that are formed from the remains of dead plants and animals that got buried under the earth millions of years ago are called fossil fuels. They are available in a limited quantity. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are the examples of fossil fuels. So they are also called exhaustible resources. It is because we cannot create them if we use up them completely. These are called non-renewable resources. Coal. Coal is found deep inside the earth and is obtained by digging. The process of obtaining coal is called coal mining. It is also a non-renewable source of energy. It is used to run steam engines and in factories and as a fuel for cooking, heating, and for generating electricity. In India, the main coal mining areas are in Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, and Chhattisgarh. The main coal mining centers are Jharia, Raniganj, Korba, Bokaro, Dhanbad, and Neyveli, etc. Petroleum. Petroleum was formed from the remains of dead plants and animals that got buried under the sea millions of years ago. These remains were subjected to high pressure and temperature. They got compressed to form petroleum. It is a dark-colored thick crude oil. The area where oil is found is called an oil field. The main oil-producing centers in India are Mumbai High, Digboi, Cambay, Ankaleshwar, and Sibsagar. The petroleum is found deep underground. It is valuable natural resource. It is taken to oil refineries. India has many oil refineries. Here crude mineral oil is refined to produce petrol, diesel, kerosene, and mobile oil. These are used as fuel in cars, buses, ships, and aeroplanes. Petrol is used as fuel in most of the cars and in two-wheelers. Diesel is used in buses, trucks, ships, motorboats, and tractors. A special type of refined kerosene called aviation turbine fuel is used as fuel in aircrafts. Natural gas. Natural gas is found along with mineral oil. It is found above the layers of petroleum deposits since gas is lighter than oil. It is also used as fuel. It is used in the form of liquefied petroleum gas (LPG) and as compressed natural gas (CNG). LPG and PNG are used as fuels in our homes for cooking food. CNG is used as a fuel in buses, auto rickshaws, and cars. It is cheaper than petrol and diesel. It is called a green fuel. It is because it causes less air pollution. Alternate fuels. Such materials other than fossil fuels that can be used as fuel are called alternate fuels. Some alternate sources of fuel for vehicles are: liquefied hydrogen is used as fuel in spacecrafts. Alcohol obtained by fermenting sugarcane is used to run cars in Brazil. Biodiesel is made from vegetable oil and animal fat. It is used to run vehicles in many European countries. Electricity is used to run trains, metro rails, trams, and cable cars. Some vehicles are driven either by animals or by humans. They do not need fuel. These vehicles use animal power or human power as energy. Bullock carts, camel carts, cycle, rickshaw, etc. are such vehicles. Cost of fuels. Fuels are non-renewable resources of energy and their supply is limited and demand is high. They are expensive. However, the price of all fuels is not the same. CNG and diesel are cheaper than petrol, while aviation turbine fuel is very expensive. Biofuels are much costlier than fossil fuels. Therefore, they are less popular. Quick recall. A fuel is a substance that burns in air to produce energy. Fuels are of two types, fossil fuels and alternate fuels. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are fossil fuels. Hydrogen, biofuels and electricity are alternate fuels. Biodiesel is much costlier than fossil fuels.